I guess the other thing, just on the company EQ, I know I never really got to it, but EQ has quite a strong board, right? Like, and
Mhm.
a very active board, like we have a standard once a week meeting type board, right? It's not
Yeah, yeah.
not official, but which includes, Oliver Klein Hempel, which is our chairman. He's also one of the four global MDs for CronyMet. Richard Morrow, which is Melbourne Mining Club, broker background. Steve Layton, ZPO, electrical engineer, one of the represents the largest shareholding out of Singapore. And now Stephen Weir has just come on the board with us as well. So we're really excited to have Stephen from a financial point of view. Stephen has a great financial background, right? So we do make our directors work quite hard. We don't tell them that before we get them the nomination, but we do make them work very hard. So yeah, so it really supports me. I'm more technical. I'm more getting the recovery, getting the operations. So it does help me fill that gap in, I must say.